Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Rao. I am the student of Tulsi Patel College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. I am currently pursuing my B.Tech third year 5th sem in civil engineering. So today our topic is what is column base and what are the types of column base and less column and better column. So first of all, what is column base? Column base is a column base connects a column to a foundation to transfer loads providing stability structure is called as column base. So this is our diagram and this is I section and column, and these are foundation and anchor bolt, and this is base plate. So next is types of column base. So first type of column base is slab base. So a straightforward clip on concrete slab that straight column load over the foundation. So second point is used for column carrying light to moderate loads. And second point is gusseted base. A base plate with additional gusset plates or angles to provide extra stability and reduce load. So suitable for heavily loaded steel firms. So next is what is less column and better column. So first less column. Less column use diagonally placed bars called lacing to connect the members and resist buckling. So first is single lace system and double lace system. This is opposite faces of components. This perpendicular axis and lace system. So next, batten column. What is batten column? Batten column use horizontally flat plate called batten and which are designed to resist shear force and moments. Shear force and moments and or structural compression members formed by joining two or multiple and more individual profiles. Profiles means columns and batten column sections. This our batten column sections. This is bolted connection to columns and double lace system. Thank you.